Oh my god, we got ourselves a scrap.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Colors and promise. How to be brave.